Hello friends, today I'll be showing you how to get anything, be a movie, be a game, be it a program, be it Android, be it iOS, be it Windows, for actually free. Anything you want, free. Anything you want, free. Anything you want, actually for free, like for free. You don't need to go online buying programs. You don't need to go online buy antivirus. You don't need to go online buy operating system. You don't need to go online buy Android application. Maybe you pass through an app on the Play Store of which you want it, and actually on the Play Store they're asking for you to buy it. Like, you just need to go to this site. You just need to browse, pass through your browser, get to the site, and have the app on your platform running, be it your desktop, be it your Android phone, be it your iOS whatsoever, your iPhone. Like, you just need to get to this site. You just need to be at the right place at the right time. Like, a lot of people actually come to me, like they see a lot of things. Actually, the program I'm using, I've been using for a while now, like to record a lot of my videos, is actually sold online. It's sold for huge. The price, you just need to see the price. Let me show you. This is the price. Camtasia 2018. This is Camtasia 2018. It's sold at Amazon for $249. Means one just to have a copy, just to have a license of it, it's $249. But actually, I have it on my PC running for free. Like, if anytime I just feel like updating to 2019 years, this 2018. And actually, I have 2018 on my PC running now, license, which I downloaded for free. Like, I get it for free. I get every application for free. I get anything online actually for free for myself. I get it for free. I just need to show you guys how actually to go about it. There are a lot of tricks, like there are a lot of ways to do about it, but it's pretty simple for even for a class one child. Like, anyone who knows how to navigate the internet, is actually very simple, very very simple. Like, a lot of my friends come to me, like they tell me, oh Akufe, this has been blocked, this has been blocked, this is happening, this is happening. The truth is, it's, you might have a site, be it, for instance, be it TV shows for mobile.com, or a site where actually a lot of guys go on, a lot of ladies go on to download movies for free. Someone might tell you today, like, the site is opening again, and so another, meanwhile another person is actually accessing that site at the same time. Like, yeah, there are a lot of tricks when it comes to things like this. The internet is so tricky, just so tricky, so tricky. Seriously. So what we need to do is we need to go to this site. Pass. We need to pass through our browser. I mean, through Google. Yeah, you need to pass through your Google page, through your Google page. And when you get to Google, you type the best torrent torrenting site 2008. The best torrent the best torrenting site 2018 on block, or the best on block torrenting site. That's the same thing. Like, it's just the same thing. You see, these are the sites. There are 10 of them. 10 of them. Anything you want, be it what, you just need to go to this site, my dear bro, my dear. So you just need to go to this site and download it for free. You don't need to go online buying things. We have passed that generation. Like, there are a lot of things like torrenting sites, like that, like any other site. A lot of people go online. I myself, I bought an antivirus in 2014, 15K here in Cameroon. Bought for 15K. Actually, the antivirus had 3 license. Like, on the same antivirus, had 3 license. Installing it on my on my PC for the first time. I actually uploaded the antivirus online to one of these sites, LimeTorrent. When I uploaded it to LimeTorrent, anybody who went there, or anybody the first 2 people who downloaded the app, downloaded the antivirus, actually used it license for free. That is how torrenting sites function. A lot of people buy programs, upload it to the sites for free. For those who are not privileged to pay for it, for those who cannot afford it, man, that's it. So we need to click on this option, like the 10 most popular unblocked torrenting site. Click on it. And need and when you get to this page, there are a lot of them. Like, the first one in the rating, the first one is Pirate Bay. The first one is Pirate Bay. telling my friends about Pirate Bay. They tell me like Pirate Bay has been blocked. Pirate Bay has been blocked. If you don't have an IP address, you cannot get a licensed IP address. You cannot get to Pirate Bay. Like I keep laughing. Anybody who goes to go and type piratebay.org, the person will never get to that site. Comes rain, no matter what, you never get to that site. Anybody who pass through the browser might just type www.piratebay.it, not .org. You will never get to that site. You just need to pass this way. You just need to pass this way. Like I clicked on the first option. As you can see, this is Pirate Bay. This is Pirate Bay. This is Pirate Bay. This is Pirate Bay for you for free. This is Pirate Bay. You just need to have a torrent application downloader on your PC or on your phone. You just need to download. A lot of them have uTorrent, you have BitTorrent. A lot of them out there for free. Those things are for free. When you get to this page, you type, for instance, type Camtasia. Camtasia, the program I used to record a lot of my videos. 2018. This is Camtasia for you 2018. Camtasia Studio key. Camtasia Studio 9 key 2018. Camtasia Studio 2009 Studio 9 key. This is the key. This is a key. Like this is not the program. Actually, this is the key. Maybe you have downloaded the program from their site and they're asking for you for the key. You just need to click on this link and you download it. Then this Camtasia Studio 2018 version 0.1 build 3457. This is it plus the key, the old key generator. This is it. You just click here. You just need to click here. Open it. We just need to open it and we download it for free. It's free. Everything, be it an antivirus, be it an operating system, Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 7, all in one, be it what, it's free. Everything is free. Everything is free. There are a lot of them. Everything is free. And I click on Get Torrents. And you see my uTorrent is asking me to actually open with uTorrent. And I'll open with uTorrent. Oh my God. Life is easy. Life is easy. Life is really easy. A lot of guys don't understand it. A lot of people don't understand this. It's 479 megabytes. Yeah, it won't cost you anything. Buy internet service or maybe buy 1 gig of internet service for maybe say 1,000 and downloading a program which you were supposed to have bought it through Amazon for $249. $249, man. Bullshit. I cannot buy this. Cannot. With my uTorrent and I click OK. I will never buy anything online. Like I will never. It's crazy. You just need to be smart, man. You just need to be smart, bro. You just need to be smart. When you are smart, a lot of things. When you are smart, this is downloading. It's downloading. This is a program running on my machine. A lot of people buy it. I don't pay for this Camtasia. This is Camtasia on my desktop. I will never buy it. This Camtasia 2018. I didn't buy its license. I mean license. It's a license well. It's not a freeware. There's a license well and a freeware. Licenseware and a freeware. There's two different. It's a different. One is being bought and one is like for free. But this one is actually the one that is being bought. But I have it for free. That's what I mean. I'm proud of it. It's for free. Anything you want, you just like if you feel like having anything and it's more and you just tell me, I'll show you how. I'll actually direct on how to get it for free. There are a lot of options. Like you have a lot of options from Pirate Bay. You have 337x. It's on another torrenting site. You have Torlock, a torrenting site, TorrentZ2, a torrenting site. They're all torrenting site. YTS, torrenting site. EZTV, it's a torrenting site for movies, a lot of movies. Zoogle, torrenting site. Torrent downloads, a torrenting site. LimeTorrent, one of my favorite. LimeTorrent. I actually upload some of my torrents here. Like I upload some of my programs here. I have an account here. LimeTorrent. This is LimeTorrent. Anything you want on LimeTorrent. For instance, let me type Windows. Let me say Office 10 for instance. Office 10, for instance. Let's see something. It's Office 10. This is Office 10. Windows 10, Office 10, everything is free. Everything is free, bro. Everything is free. Everything in life is free. Everything in life is free. Like, I just want to use this opportunity. You know, a lot of us in Africa are not privileged, but we just need to be smart. We just need to be smart. There are a lot of things that are really obligatory that we really need to understand them. There are a lot of things about internet that we need to understand. That's why I'm bringing a lot of these videos for those who don't have money, who are not privileged to go to Amazon, to go to eBay, to go to Walmart, or to go to Alibaba to buy programs, to buy music, to buy whatsoever. It's free. It's free. You just need to pass through my channel. You see a lot of tricks. It's free. It's free. Yeah, please, and do subscribe. Do subscribe. I will appreciate it if you subscribe.